the Supreme Court is gearing up for a pivotal hearing that's drawing significant attention, with legal experts suggesting it could provide the justices with a compelling reason to challenge the Trump administration's legal stance. At the heart of this case is the contentious issue of nationwide injunctions, a legal tool that allows district judges to block policies across the entire country. Former federal prosecutor Joyce Vance, in a recent analysis, highlighted the significance of the upcoming Thursday hearing. The core question before the court, as Vance explains, is whether a district judge can issue an injunction that takes effect nationwide, or whether their decision is only applicable within their judicial district, or even limited just to the parties in front of them. This seemingly technical legal debate carries profound implications for the balance of power between the judiciary and the executive branches. Vance stressed that this is not a matter of political preference, but rather a fundamental legal question that should transcend partisan divides. The issue here is a legal one that should transcend politics, one that is about legal principles and drawing lines as opposed to a results-oriented ruling that says nationwide injunctions are okay so long as whoever is making the decisions is happy with the outcome, she asserted. In other words, the court should focus on establishing clear legal boundaries, not simply delivering a verdict based on desired policy outcomes. The former prosecutor anticipates that the Supreme Court will avoid taking an extreme position, rejecting the notion of an all-or-nothing rule on nationwide injunctions. Instead, she believes the justices will grapple with the complex task of the line-drawing exercise. This involves carefully defining the circumstances under which nationwide injunctions are appropriate. Vance notes that this issue has been percolating for some time, making the court's decision to address it now particularly noteworthy. That's because this is one of the strongest contexts imaginable for arguing in favor of permitting nationwide injunctions, Vance explains. While she doesn't explicitly detail the case, her comments strongly hint that it involves a Trump administration policy related to citizenship. The potential for a patchwork quilt of citizenship creation, where citizenship rights vary depending on the state of birth, underscores the practical challenges and potential for inequality that could arise if nationwide injunctions were deemed impermissible in this situation. Vance's colorful description of this scenario as a hot mess vividly illustrates the administrative nightmare that could ensue. The Supreme Court's decision will have far-reaching consequences, shaping the power of district courts to issue injunctions that impact the entire nation. This case is not just about the Trump administration. It's about defining the boundaries of judicial authority in cases with national implications. The justices' attempt to draw the line on this issue will be closely watched by legal scholars, policymakers, and the public alike. The outcome will determine the extent to which district courts can act as a check on executive power, and how effectively they can address policies that create a chaotic and inconsistent legal landscape. Now, we want to hear from you. What do you think about the Supreme Court's role in this case? Should district judges have the power to issue nationwide injunctions? Share your comments with us below. If you found this analysis informative, please subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Your support helps us bring you more in-depth coverage of important legal developments. Thank you for watching.